let's get cooking, y'all. Today, we are going to be making Nashville Hot. It's really hot chicken, okay? And we are going to be making the absolute best. If you've ever been to Nashville, you know how hot that chicken can be. Have you stood in line to get some Princes or even some Hattie B's? You know what's up. It's delicious. It comes for the taste buds in the most incredible way, and I'm gonna show you how to make all that authenticity right at the crib. Let's get going. So to get started, we're going to work on sort of like a pseudo marinade. I've got some buttermilk. This is gonna go into this big old bowl. I'm adding in some hot sauce. We're already going to get this chicken drenched with some hot flavor right from the get-go. Bring all of those flavors together. So now we're gonna work on our breading or our seasoned flour. And when I say seasoned, I mean seasoned. We've got a ton of different flavors that are gonna really make this chicken just explode. I've got some cayenne pepper, I've got some paprika, some black pepper, some onion and garlic powder, and some seasoned salt. And then I've got some cornstarch, and that's gonna make our chicken super, super crispy and crunchy. Into the flour it goes. So now it's time for the dipping action. Actually, I have two ways you can do this. You can either leave all your seasoned flour in a bowl and then just transfer the chicken into the bowl back and forth, whatever. Or you can put it in a plastic bag and do your shakety shake, shake, shake. But for the interest of time, I'm just leave this in the bowl and we'll get started. This is a double dredge process. So this is gonna get a nice little coating on it just to begin with. And then I'm gonna place it right into our buttermilk bath here. Ooh, nice. Make sure you get both sides really well. And then finally back into our seasoned flour. And then I'm just gonna place this right on our parchment as I work on the rest of our pieces. Make it like it was when chicken wings were free. I don't know if they were ever free, but that's how I feel about it. That's why we don't have them. They're not free. The chicken legs will have to do today. So it looks like our oil is ready to go, and that means it's time to fry some chicken, y'all. One little trick that I use, this is something my big mama always did, is she used to take a wooden spoon and insert it right into the oil, and you can see it bubbling around there. I mean, like a nice aggressive boil. It's ready to go. I love the way you fry. I love the way you fry. I love the way you fry. I love the way. I love the way. Outcast, give me a call. Shoulder roll. Okay, so we've got our chicken that's already fried in the oven, and as we finish up this last piece, we gotta make that Nashville hot sauce. This is the part that really takes this chicken to another level in heat, for sure. So I'm going to take some oil from our frying pan. You need about a cup of this. It's super hot, so just be careful out here, y'all. And I'm gonna add this right to our bowl here. Ooh. And it's got all that spice and flavor from the fried chicken in there. Oh, delicious. Then I've got a boatload of cayenne pepper. I mean, a lot. This is a ton, but it is necessary to really bring out that hot flavor and spice. It's gonna go right into our oil. And then I've got a few more ingredients. I've got some garlic powder, some brown sugar, some smoked paprika, and I've got some chili powder as well. And that's all gonna go in here too. and just mix all of this together. Oh my gosh, that aroma is incredible. And now we're gonna brush this on our chicken. You use a brush and just really start to go to town on this. Our chicken is all brushed up. Let's get ready to serve it. And you know the Nashville hot way. You gotta have those pickles and you gotta have that white bread, y'all. All right, y'all, here's my big old platter of chicken just for me. I'm not kidding, it really is just for me, just on my lonesome, eating a big old platter of Nashville hot chicken. And I don't feel any way about it. So let's see how it tastes, guys. I mean, we worked hard on this. Let's give it a try. So crispy. Gotta get in there. Yeah, get some of that crisp on there. Okay, ready? Ooh, get on there. Woo! It's hot, y'all. It's hot, but it is good. I need some water. I'll see y'all next time. Make sure you head to grandbaby-cakes.com to grab this recipe and so many more. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out my weekly recipe videos.